thrills and surprises, extremely dangerous challenges, video games in real life, cutting-edge technology. All will be revealed. Get ready for this adventure. Look at that, the brave arborist moves skillfully on towering tree branches. The chainsaw in his hands becomes an extension of his body, ready for this spectacular performance. The chainsaw roars powerfully, sawdust exploding in the wind like golden rain. Fluid movements, perfect cuts. This arborist transforms dangerous work into a masterful performance. Each cut precise and decisive. This is truly a master of the tree cutting craft. Have you ever seen a wood cutting machine like this before? The Volkswagen Trommel, such a German engineering masterpiece revolutionizing the wood industry. Watch how it handles these massive logs. Simply magical, the Quadramat system automatically rotates and cuts wood with absolute precision. No effort, no time waste, just pure German engineering perfection. This is truly the future of wood processing. How long do you think this stump grinder will take to process this giant tree stump? Let's watch this impressive performance. Absolutely amazing. In less than 2 minutes, this massive stump has been completely turned into mulch. The power and speed of this machine are truly unbelievable. This is peak performance. Watch this amazing speed. The vertical blade rips through wood, creating thin boards with absolute precision. The sliding carriage moves smoothly, guiding logs through the blade like an industrial dance. Each razor-sharp cut, each smooth board appears instantly. This peak cutting technique transforms raw logs into industrial artworks. Perfect speed and precision, modern wood cutting technology redefining efficiency. This is truly the pinnacle of wood processing industry. Now let's watch these chainsaw masters perform their final steps to fell this tree. Let's see how this moment unfolds. Meet the Bandit Beast for 1,680, the powerful wood chipper showing its incredible strength. With 540 horsepower engine, it processes 75 centimeters diameter trees with ease. Watch this impressive performance. Sharp steel teeth are crushing wood into tiny pieces. In just seconds, entire logs transform into perfect mulch. Impressive power in a compact design. Are you ready to witness the world's most incredible wood splitter? Look at this, it's devouring massive tree trunks like cutting through butter. No size limit can stop this monster. Absolutely mind-blowing. With just one press, 30 to perfect firewood pieces emerge. This industrial power is redefining wood splitting. This is the future of the firewood industry. Witness the Komatsu 931 XE working relentlessly in the forest. Its C140 for harvester head slices through trees effortlessly. The razor-sharp saw blade cuts through wood, creating powerful sounds. Sawdust explodes like golden rain, trees fall in split seconds. This machine isn't just harvesting, it's creating a spectacular show in the wild. Look, the seasoned tracked vehicle wrestling with massive logs. Engine roaring at full power, front lifting with determination. Tracks grip the ground, fighting against this tremendous weight. Tracks spinning, mud flying, but the machine never gives up. Inch by inch, heavy logs are dragged toward the landing, the power of will and machinery united. The Vermeer HG680 OTX wood chipper running at full power with 1050 horsepower. This industrial wood chipper processes 100 tons per hour, turning everything into mulch in seconds. Witness this amazing power. Watch this, the Smart Grind wood chipper system working perfectly, grinding everything into fine sawdust. The Katsi 27 engine roars powerfully, showcasing Vermeer's superior technology. Meet the Hurricane TRX, the ultimate robot stump grinding technology. Fully remote controlled, it moves like a smart warrior across any terrain. Watch how it approaches targets with precision and confidence. Even the toughest stumps surrender to Hurricane TRX's power. Super durable grinding teeth shred any stump into mulch instantly. This is truly efficient and safe stump removal. The heavy logging truck faces a tremendous challenge. Massive logs on the bed, ahead lies a waterlogged muddy road. But watch, it charges in without hesitation. Engine roaring powerfully, wheels churning through muddy water. Extraordinary, the heavy logging truck powers through, muddy water swallowing its axles. Victory arrives, this machine conquers successfully. Want more exciting content like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.